The school year is just around the corner, and that means it is time for many toddlers, preschoolers, and kindergartens to work on learning their ABCs. A fun, no stress way to teach kids their ABCs is using fun crafts. We use these letter B crafts along with the letter of the week unit and lots of hands-on letter B activities. We start the week by introducing the letter and making a letter B craft for toddlers. Then we talk about the sound a letter makes and show how the letter B craft for preschool makes that sound too. Check out these super cute, fun to make letter B crafts. These letter B preschool crafts are better for your letter of the week programs as you teach pre-K, kindergarten, toddlers, and first grade students their ABCs and the sounds those letters make. This is the biggest and best B alphabet crafts you'll find, with ideas to make a B is for bunny, bear, button, bird, butterfly, baseball, bus, bee, and much more. I hope you enjoyed the video.
Subscribe for more videos by Eva Teaching Resources.